Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. X is what so many users are in relation to the platform formerly known as Twitter, especially when they see the shenanigans from Elon Musk. And I know it's kind of like a train wreck, a very slow-moving train wreck. Today, Elon decided to throttle or effectively add a pause to certain destinations that you might have linked to from your X account. Oh God, that just sounds so weird saying it out loud. So for example, Elon doesn't like Instagram or Threads or Blue Sky or any one of these places that might exist on the internet, right? So what had happened today for some of these sites that he doesn't like, there was a 5-second or so delay between the time that you would have clicked and, finding your way to that destination, the app, the platform, or whatever. What's normal is that, hey, this is a private platform, not a public square, so he can do whatever the hell he wants with it. But here's the thing. I know a lot of y'all back in the day were all whining, net neutrality needs to be a thing. It needs to be neutral. Yeah, net neutrality. Go net neutrality. We need net neutrality. You're all for it. So I want to hear the same people who are in support of net neutrality to come out and effectively admonish, chastise might be a bit of an extreme word, but to see this behavior for what it is. It's petty. He can do whatever he wants to with the platform, but by introducing timeouts indiscriminately or based upon his whims or what he likes or doesn't like, you're not on your social network, okay? You're on his. Get that through your X skull.